Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of Meta AI. This revolutionary tool is reshaping how we communicate on our favorite social media platforms like WhatsApp and Instagram. Imagine being able to ask your phone anything, and it responds instantly. Sounds cool, right? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about WhatsApp. Meta AI appears right in the app, ready to assist you. Whether you need help planning a party or just want to know the weather, just type your question and watch the magic happen. For instance, ask, "What's the best restaurant near me?" and get instant recommendations. And it doesn't stop just at answering questions. With the command /imagine, you can actually create images. Want to see a cat wearing a wizard hat? Just type it in, and voila, you've got an AI-generated masterpiece. That's right, creativity at your fingertips. Think about this. You're in a cafe, brainstorming your next big blog post. Instead of struggling for inspiration, you ask Meta AI for catchy headlines, and boom, you have a dozen options in seconds. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Now let's switch gears to Instagram. Meta AI isn't just for WhatsApp, it's also in your DMs. You can ask it for the best hashtags for your posts, or even for tips on engagement. Just imagine getting tailor-made advice to grow your following. Meeting with a chatbot can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Meta AI uses natural language processing, meaning you can type just like you talk. No need for stiff commands. Just have a conversation and get helpful responses without any hassle. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but what about privacy? That's a great question. Meta emphasizes that conversations with Meta AI aren't end-to-end encrypted. You need to be aware that while it makes your experience seamless, it also collects data to improve interactions. Another cool feature? You can use Meta AI to get information without leaving the app. Picture scrolling through your Facebook feed and seeing a recipe post. You can ask Meta AI about ingredient substitutions right there. Isn't that convenient? Meta AI is not just limited to text and images. You can also ask for video content suggestions. Planning a fun video for your followers? Just say what you want to achieve and let AI suggest content ideas. This can seriously level up your content game. Now, if you're not a fan of Meta AI, there are ways to limit your interaction. While you can't completely disable it, you can mute or delete the chat with it. Just remember, the AI is still going to be around in other forms if you choose to keep using WhatsApp and Facebook. It's all about community engagement. By using Meta AI, you're not just engaging with a bot. You're part of a tech revolution. Feedback is crucial, and sharing your experiences can help shape future updates. Make sure to leave a comment below about what you think. As I work hard to bring you high-quality videos, I want to thank each of you for your support. Your comments and suggestions help me grow and improve our content. Together, we can build an amazing community where we all learn and progress. So, if you love tech and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Your support means the world to me, and I'm excited to continue this journey with all of you. Together, we can explore the incredible world of AI. Finally, let's think about the future of AI. Meta AI is just the beginning. As technology evolves, we will have even more incredible tools at our disposal. So, don't be afraid to embrace change and use these tools to enhance your daily life. Remember, innovation is here to help us. Meta AI is a game changer, and understanding its features can open doors to new opportunities in both personal and professional realms. Let's embrace the future and utilize these innovative features to our advantage. The evolution of technology is rapid. From simple chatbots to complex AIs like Meta AI, we are witnessing a monumental shift. This is a time to be excited about the possibilities it brings to our daily lives. So stay curious and keep exploring. I've spoken with several users already, and the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. They love how easy it is to ask questions and get personalized responses. Imagine being able to streamline your daily tasks with just your voice or a quick text. How great is that? As we wrap this up, let's continue to embrace optimism for the future of AI in our lives. We're just scratching the surface of what technology can do for us. Let's stay connected and explore this exciting journey together. Thank you for being part of this adventure. And hey, don't forget to check your notifications. New features are being rolled out all the time, and you want to be among the first to experience them. Stay in the loop and keep those notifications on. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you're as excited about Meta AI as I am. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share, and comment below with your thoughts. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments and see how we can help each other navigate this exciting new landscape. If you think about it, we've come a long way from the early days of smartphones. Today, we have AI integrated into our daily communication, and it's making life easier and more enjoyable. Just think of the time you save by asking Meta AI for restaurant suggestions instead of flipping through pages of reviews. For professionals, this can be a huge asset. Imagine you're in a meeting and need to pull up some stats. Instead of fussing through documents, you can quickly ask Meta AI while still engaging with your team. Efficiency at its best. Lastly, let's not forget the social aspect. These tools aren't just about efficiency, they're about enhancing our connections. Using Meta AI to share fun image creations or planning a virtual get-together can lead to richer interactions with friends and family. So let's recap. With Meta AI, you can generate images, get instant answers, streamline your planning, and improve your social media presence, all from your phone. This integration of AI into daily life is nothing short of a revolution. I can't wait to see how you all use it. With each technological advancement, the playing field is leveled. Meta AI is empowering everyday users and professionals alike to achieve more with less effort. How cool is that? Embrace it and let's thrive together. Thank you again for joining me today. Your participation is what keeps this community alive and thriving. Remember, your feedback is always welcome, so drop those comments. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the exciting world of technology.